Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to review my dividend portfolio very quickly with how the stock market has been behaving as of lately, and so many stocks going on sale in my opinion. They continue to crash, so just wanted to take a quick look at my portfolio, but please don't forget to like the video so I can continue to reach others. And I really appreciate all of the comments, all the new subscribers, and all the likes. I really appreciate that the channel is growing slowly, but it's definitely growing. So right here, I wanted to take a quick look at my portfolio, and it is down right now. It's down $670 as of right now. This is an estimate of how much is down. But I don't see this as negative. I do see it as opportunity to buy, especially SCHD right now at $69.45 per share. I am definitely buying some more this Friday. And on this Friday, because I put quite a few hours these past 2 weekends in my second job, I am definitely gonna try to put like an extra $100 at least into this week's deposit. So as you guys know, I do deposits every week of like around $100, $90, $100, and then I distribute them into the stocks that I have that are undervalued or that are under my cost per share that I want to continue growing. But this week I'm gonna try to put like some extra money, since I have put on that extra work and those extra hours. So right here, another company that I definitely want to continue buying this week, that I want to continue growing that position, is Realty Income. It just continues to go. Well, right now it's down. It stayed around the $49, $50 price. So right now it's just staying there. It's holding at that price. So I definitely want to continue to pick up some shares. I can't wait until it's Friday so I can buy some more of this one. And another one that I definitely want to continue buying is Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO, because it's under my cost per share. And it's at $55 right now. That's at the price that it closed today, $55.04 per share, and I am down $18 right now. So I definitely want to pick up some more shares right now. I have almost 6 shares. Main Street Capital, I want to definitely continue to pick up, but this is another one that I want to grow some more, which is Starbucks. It's right now at the $91.15. I am hoping it goes a little bit down, a little bit more down by Friday when I deposit my money. I'm really hoping for that. So yes, I am sorry guys. I know some of you want to see this in the green and make a lot of money right now, but this is a company that I'm planning on holding long term. So the further down it goes, the better it is for me to pick up some more shares, as long as the business continue to stay the same, of course, because we also don't want to see Starbucks going down, like for example ticker symbol DG, Dollar General, which is getting loaded in debt. But that could be a video for another time that we can just review it very quickly. And then another one that I definitely want to load up is this one, Vici, VICI, Vici Properties. They pretty much own a lot of real estate in the Las Vegas Strip and in the Las Vegas area, like around the Strip. And right now it is at $20.35. I think to me that's a steal right now, definitely. Johnson & Johnson is also under my cost per share, so I definitely want to continue buying that. And Pfizer, that's another one. I definitely do want to pick up some more shares. Now, another thing that I wanted to review was 2 stocks that I have been looking at them. I have them at the top of my watch list. I love these 2 companies. They're just always trading at a premium, and it came from a question from one of my subscribers, and the subscriber's name, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right, is Maytech MATEJ 7871. So this subscriber asked the question, why don't you have more growth companies like Microsoft or Visa? I do like Microsoft. I used to have Xbox every time, so I was a big Xbox fan. But I changed to PlayStation, and for the past couple of years. But I do like Xbox also. So, and I know Microsoft doesn't only own Xbox, but owns other things. But I did like the Xbox a lot. But one of the other company that subscriber mentioned was Visa. So Visa is one that I am looking into, and I have at the top of my watch list. And then the other one is Mastercard, ticker symbol MA, and the ticker symbol for Visa is V. Okay, so let's take a look at Mastercard very quickly. So as you guys can see here, I have it in Seeking Alpha. I'm not affiliated with them. And everything that I'm going to be discussing here is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So please always do your research. But Mastercard, as you guys can see here, let's take a look for the last month. It is down 4.25%. But if you take a look year to date, it's up 13.54%. Mastercard has a market cap of $373 billion and a dividend yield of 0.58%. So, and it is very, very low for me, especially that's why I never added them. And I never added neither company because they both have under 1% dividend yield, and I pretty much was chasing higher yield. So I am guilty of that. Now I'm gonna try to change a little bit my strategy, slowly. Of course, I'm not gonna be selling anything at a big loss or anything like that, any of my positions. But as you guys can see here, the PE is 32.54. So that's why these two companies are always trading on a premium. But I'm just taking a quick look at Mastercard right now. As you guys can see, the revenue just continues to grow. In 2021, 18 billion, and 2022, 22 billion. That's a whole lot of money that it grew by. And then there's an estimated revenue growth to $25 billion. So that's like pretty much almost a $3 billion revenue estimated growth. So, and then in 2024, there's another $3 billion of growth estimated, of course. This is just estimations. But if you guys can see here, at the debt is $15.62 billion. But cash on hand, they have $6.51 billion. And this is it right here, that dividend. So the yield, as I've said before, 0.58%. You get paid $2.28 a year per share. Yeah, pretty much per year per share. So the payout ratio is still very, very low at 19.96%. So definitely has a lot of space to grow, to continue growing that dividend. And the 5-year CAGR or dividend growth rate is 17.8%. That's definitely very, very good, very, very juicy dividend growth CAGR at 5-year. And the years of growth, that growing that dividend is 11 years, as you guys can see right here. And if you guys see this other chart that is here on Seeking Alpha, that dividend growth just has been growing every year without stopping. And as you guys can see, there's debt, but there's a lot of cash, and that payout ratio is just very, very low. So they definitely still have space to continue growing that dividend. And in the past 3 years, it has grown from $1.60 per year per share to $1.76 to then $1.96 last year. So let's see how it goes this year. And then the next one is Visa. This is the one that I'm really, really looking into adding into my portfolio. I still haven't decided yet. I still haven't pulled the trigger. Not sure if with the extra $100 that I deposit, that I'm going to try to deposit this week, thanks to all those hours that I worked, I'll probably start a position. So I'm not sure yet. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be transparent. Of course, if I do start a position, I'll definitely make a video and let you guys know. But this is out of the two. This is the one that I'm really, really looking into adding. So Visa ticker symbol V is right now down in the last month 6%, but year to date it's up 11.49%. So right now it closed today at $231. I think yesterday it had closed at $226 or something like that. It was around that. $227. It was around that range. But this one has a bigger market cap than Mastercard of $468 billion. The dividend yield is also higher than Mastercard at 0.78%. And the PE is definitely cheaper at or lower at 26.68%. And now let's continue to go down, and same as Mastercard, it just continues to grow that revenue. In 2021 24 billion, 2022 29 billion, so it definitely had a very, very high jump, and then it's estimated to grow to 32 billion in 2023 and 36 billion in 2024. So you can definitely see that growth right there. And when you guys see this total debt $20 billion, but cash on hand $18 billion, that's definitely a lot of money. And as you guys can see here, the dividend yield higher than Mastercard, 0.78%. Annual payout per share is $1.80, and the payout ratio is very, very low, like Mastercard at 21%. I think Mastercard was at 19%. And the 5-year growth CAGR, Mastercard was at 17%. This one is almost at 17%. It's 16.89%. Years of dividend growth, 14 years, 3 years more than Mastercard. So definitely it is growing. And as you guys can see here, every year they just continue to grow their dividend. So every year you continue to get that dividend growth. So in 2019, $1.05 per share a year. 2020, $1.22. 2021, $1.34, and 2020. No, I said 2022 right here, and this is 2021. And then 2022, $1.58. I'm sorry for the mistake right there. But what do you think about these two stocks? Do you like them? Do you have them in your portfolio? I really want to know your opinion. I like both of them. I really, really like Visa. Even though I have in the cards that I have, the credit cards or debit card that I have, most of them are Visa, and I think I only have one Mastercard, which is the Apple card. Please let me know your opinion. As you guys know, and I've explained in the past, I am moving on from Second Capital Corp, which is in the financial sector. If I move on from Second Capital Corp and I change them for Visa, definitely my dividend income will take a hit. Because this one, SACH, pays at 12.59%. But this is not a company that is going to grow the same way as Visa or Mastercard will grow. So I am definitely going to be moving on from this one when I get in the green or very close to the green. And then I kind of want to add one of those two companies right now. Please let me know your opinion on the both of them. If there's anything that I missed, please let me know about those two companies. I'm going to continue doing some research this weekend. I don't think I'm going to start a position yet. I'm going to see if maybe the market, I'm going to try to time the market with this one, even though I shouldn't. But I'm not 100% yet on that. But definitely want to add Visa as of right now. Please let me know your opinions in the comment section. Do you own it? How it has been paying to you? Do you like it? Some people that are probably watching this, they probably own Visa or Mastercard for many years. How it has been treating you? I really would like to know if you don't mind. And please, thank you so much, everyone, for the support. I really appreciate that the channel is growing. And I really appreciate all the likes, all the comments, all your opinions. As I've said before, please share your opinions so I have people that I can talk to about finances, since I don't have anyone really around me that I can talk finances to. So, all right, guys, or everyone, have a very good day, and I'll talk to you in the next one, okay? Thank you. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market, or seek a professional financial advisor help. Thank you.